Oh, there's a fight. Yeah, sometimes things can get wild in the city. What's up, everybody? I'm here in Antalya still, and I just caught a Marti scooter. So there's this company here in Turkey. I know that they operate here in Antalya. They don't operate in Alanya, for example, so I don't know where else they operate. But here in Antalya, you can rent these scooters like they have in Europe, where you stand on them, or one like that I'm on now, where you can sit, and it goes pretty fast. Well, these scooters, you need an application, and you gotta register a Turkish phone number. And in some cases you need to have a driver's license for the bigger mopeds. So in this case you don't need a license, the one that I'm on. You just need the phone number and upload an ID and you're good to go. So yesterday I went to a printing shop for t-shirts because I'm getting some merch made. Just 2 t-shirts for now, related to my gaming channel I have here on YouTube, which is called EPIA or EPIA Gaming. It focuses on like Call of Duty, Warzone gaming. So I had some designs put forward, and the guy printed the shirts for me, sent me a photo. They look really good, so I'm on my way to actually collect them today. So that's where I'm heading now, and I will show you how it looks. Judging from the photo, they look pretty dope. Oh, there's a fight. Those guys are having a little bit of a fight right now. Yeah, sometimes things can get wild in the city. Yeah, sometimes things can get wild in the city. Anyway. Wild. And there's a guy with a parrot on his shoulder. I'm gonna turn around. Wowzers. Well, that's a very interesting start to the video. I'm just gonna park the scooter here because the rest of the journey I'm actually walking. This was just a little joyride. So I'll open the application right now, take a photo to end. Okay, so let's see. It takes a little bit of time. All right, so that cost me. Let's take a look at the cost of that. Ride history. So that ride was 5 minutes. The distance was like 500 meters, and I got charged 44 lira. So that's about Oh man, I don't even know. Well, 44 lira, I'll put it here, how much that costs in euros. Wow, so interesting introduction to the video there. We had a little bit of a fight. Let's hope everything's okay with those guys. So right now I'm just gonna be heading to that shop, pick up my shirts. I'll let you know how that goes. And I'll show you the end product. Also, I'm leaving Turkey on Thursday. Thursday is my last day. So, I plan to get a haircut probably tomorrow, and I need to buy some gifts for the family. So I'll also be taking you along for that as well. Anyway, see you later. So that right there is also a part of the company on which bike I was riding earlier in this video. That bike there is the moped. So in order to use that on the application, you'll need to have a driver's license also. Any driver's license. I wonder if you can have a boating license. It does say any license. Well, anyway, with the other types of scooters, you don't need a license. So that was a lot of fun. I just picked up my shirts. I have them here. I'm gonna head over now to the bus stop and catch a bus back to the city center. Let me give you a quick look. See that? A white one and a black one. They look really cool. On the back there's also a print, so I'll be sure to show you that when I get back. Antalya is a city of scooters. Many scooters, many bikes. It's actually perfect for scooter riders because often there is a lot of traffic and the scooter is just the perfect way to get around. So anyway, I'm gonna wait for the bus at this bus stop here and see you later. What's up? I'm back and I'm in the drip. Take a look. This is the EPIA merch. I'll show you the back in just a second. So right now we're heading to Starbucks. A nice big Starbucks here in the city center. And then we'll go get some desserts somewhere else. Here we go. Can you show them my drip from the back? Look at that drip. What do you think about the drip? So I'm giving away one of these shirts on my gaming channel. So if you would like to have a white version of this, head over to the EPIA gaming channel, watch the giveaway video, and you'll learn more on how to do that. And it's quite a large complex, but it doesn't seem to be fully open yet. So a lot of the shops on the storefronts on the bottom don't even have any stores in them yet. So I'm not too sure what they're doing with it. And below us, there's some sort of like archaeological site. Also unopened, like maybe it was just closed down at some point and don't know what's happening here. But it's some archaeological site. And it's quite vast. There's like there's a staircase there and chambers, underground rooms. And there's all those platforms where people can go and walk above this place. But for now it's inaccessible. Very interesting. If you know anything about that, leave it in the comments. Dudu Pizza and Food Island, two new places actually in this whole complex, so they are slowly opening it seems. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be like a new mall, and Dudu Pizza seems pretty funny. And here we have Starbucks. Cool location, really nice and fresh outside. I mean inside. Outside is really hot, so inside's cool. So we got ourselves a grande cafe latte, costs 68 lira. We got the Starbucks brownie, 72 lira. And this simply squeezed juice was 31 lira. So I'll put the prices here in euros so you can get an idea of the prices here at Starbucks in Turkey. As you can see, it's very lively, very busy out here at night in Antalya, around the old town, which is on my right. A lot of restaurants, a lot of shops still open until late. And inside the old town, there's a lot of clubs, a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants. Really lively. Even on like a Tuesday night, as it is tonight, every night, especially the weekends, it's ridiculously busy here on the streets. So if you like that thing, it's right up your alley. There's Macho restaurant. They increase their prices too much these days. Yeah, so a lot of places have increased their prices due to inflation, some more than others. So even like the bus ticket for one ride, it increased like, you know, more than 100% to double. And so everywhere like prices have increased. And that restaurant there called Macho, we used to like going there a lot. It was very affordable, but not anymore.
Perdelerinin de senin bu kadar yüksek olsa bile, senin bu kadar yüksek olsa burada daha fazla incelik. Ne kadar daha fazla? %4 aranızda fark var.
There's so much to do here, honestly, so much to do. Shopping, drinking, eating, whatever. Up your alley, eating ice cream. Anyway, so we've reached the end of the street. Hope you did enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one.